Welcome back, everybody. So in this one, we're going to talk about something I don't do in a lot of my games, but you guys might want to, and it is kind of fun to do when there's like a situation that is like high intensity kind of thing. And that is having timed answers for your player. So say you're playing a game and someone's gonna fall off the cliff and you gotta catch them before it's too late. That kind of thing, that's the type of thing you're gonna want to have maybe a timed answer, make your player feel that intense emergency situation here. Okay? So to do that, and bear with me because I don't do this that often, so it's one of those things that I'm gonna have to try to hopefully do it right with you guys. We're gonna do it above the label splash screen here that we talked about in a previous video, and we are going to do INIT colon enter $, space, small letters, timer, underscore range, space, equals, space, 0, $, timer, underscore, jump, space, equals, 0. Okay? I'm just doing this how I have it on my other game. I'm copying it from that onto this. So hopefully this will work okay. We're going to try it out. So we're going to go down here. We have only one question that is asked in here. So I believe it is done before the menu. So we're going to do $. Just give me a second here. $time equals, and we're going to put in this case 5. We're going to give them a little bit more time. This isn't a major thing, but maybe he will notice if you take too long. So we have a little bit of urgency here. You know, the brother might notice you jumping on him if you wait too long to do it. So you have a bit of an urgency. So timer underscore range space equals 5, we'll say again. I'm not sure again if you need all this stuff. I'm just trying to show you guys. Like I said, I'm not used to doing this that much. If you guys know a better thing, totally say it in the comments. I'm not going to delete your comment. I'm all for you guys helping each other out just as much as me helping you out, okay? So we're going to do show screen countdown. Okay, I think that's what I need. Okay, sorry, I forgot about one quick thing. We have to make a screen for the countdown, okay? This is a script thing I got from online somewhere, and it works for me anyways. We're gonna test it and see if it still works. It did work in my last game that I did, Lavar's Life Extra thing. So I'm just gonna give you guys this now. I'm not going to type it all out for you. I just copied and pasted it because I'm not typing it all out right now. And then we have the menu. And then we have the choices. So after they choose, you're gonna hide screen countdown. And again, hide screen countdown. So we're gonna do label. Choice. Yeah, I'll just do no choice. Underscore slow. And then we're gonna be like, Brandon notices you. And then we'll just continue on. No major thing is going to happen if you're too slow in this case. I think that this will do it on its own okay. Let's try it and see. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot one thing here. I knew I forgot something with this. $, timer, underscore jump, equals single quote, and we have no choice. Underscore slow. There we go, that should work. File, save. Oh, I see, sorry. There. But we need to jump to something after this, right? So this is where these jumping things will be important. Label. Okay. You guys can't hear the music anyway, so that works for me too. Let's start the game. Okay. We don't want to go too quickly here. Because when we reach that choice, it's going to be a choice and it's timed, so we want to do it quickly. Okay. So here we have the choice. You can make your choice. It gives you 5 seconds to do it. The little bar counts down. But if we don't do it, Randon notices you too late. And then he says, well, come on. Blah, 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 blah. And we're going to skip all the way to the end here. And it says, guess you were too slow. You picked the nice option. I don't know why it says that. Oh, you know why it says that, right? You know why it says that at the bottom here? Because we said if it is 9 or less than 9, then you are, then you get it. It picks a nice option for you as well. So, but because our choices were also equal to 0, then we got both options, right? But it didn't show this option. Okay? So, yeah. But anyways, that's how you do a timed answer. And sorry it took so long. Hopefully it's not too broken up and you guys can understand it enough. The next video that we're going to be talking about is, I believe, side images. Perfect. We're getting very close to the end here, everybody. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.